YouTube. We're going to put some lights that I got off eBay on my Traxxas slash body. Start off, we're going to need a smaller drill bit, and eventually we're going to get up to a 1/4 inch for the lights. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, so we just drilled the smaller holes for the tail lights right there and about right there. They're kind of level with the back of the body here. And for the front, I just drilled the small ones right in the headlight where it should be about. So next we're going to go up to the 1/4 inch and then see where that leads us. Okay, so we had a little screw up, and it's not a 1/4 inch, we apologize. It is a 5/16 that fits in there. So we're just going to drill with that one and then see how they fit and then mock it up a little bit. Alright, so we drilled the holes, and then we put the little metal rings in for the headlight assembly. They came out pretty decent. Good shot. We just took a pair of our pliers here and then had to tighten them up a little bit just so they don't fall off from vibrations. So now we're going to pop in the LEDs and see how they look. Alright, so we got it all wired up. I electrical taped all of it just to keep some water out of it, and also to keep some of the little nuts on the back of these from backing out. So what we're going to do next is we are going to duct tape all the wires inside of the body posts so they don't get in the way of anything. Don't need much, just gotta hold the wires up out of the way. Alright, so we got her all finished up. Got all duct taped in, duct taped the battery down to the roof, and here we go. Got it all, doesn't move. That's the headlights, and that's the tail lights. And once it gets a little bit darker out, I'll give you a little video of it running around outside, and see you then.